You are a loser, and you will stay a loser until you become unstoppable. A few years ago, before I started the gym, I was really fat. I could barely even see my own dick behind all my fucking belly fat. And it was the day before school started after the summer holidays. And I fapped 6 times. And I felt like shit. And I knew something had to change. Because this wasn't the way I wanted to live my life. And what I want to ask you is, do you like your life? No. That's why you're probably watching this video. Why are you living it then? If you don't like your life, why are you living it? And I'm not saying kill yourself. I'm saying change it. You have to realize that it's not worth it. These video games, junk food, porn, drugs, alcohol, partying, chasing girls, all this shit. It's not worth it. It's never achieving anything. So you have to realize that it's not worth it, and realistically it's never going to get you anywhere except hating your life. So why are you a loser? Well, it's because you have no purpose. You have no drive, no reason to get up in the morning. And to find a purpose is very difficult. It takes weeks, months, years. You never truly find your purpose. But your purpose is something that you want to work on, something that is passionate for you. So maybe it's a sport, maybe it's football, maybe you don't have it. So maybe you do the gym and become obsessed with the gym. Maybe you don't really like it, but it's a start. Go down a direction and focus on that. For a while I did the gym, now I'm doing business and kickboxing. They're my two focuses. My main purpose is business, but I want to pursue kickboxing. So, I have two kind of purposes, but they coincide with each other. If you had a load of things, it wouldn't work. But one or two things that you want to focus on, maybe it's school, maybe it's a business like me, maybe it's fighting, learning how to fight. You can't defend yourself. And if you're in the town, well, someone can just come up and fucking spark you and you're fucked. And then he goes, steals your bird, and you're sat with a broken jaw and no money. What? So learn how to defend yourself. There you go. Do the gym, do kickboxing or boxing or MMA, whatever. Find something. It doesn't have to be like very meaningful. Just go in a fucking direction. You don't know where you're going, so walk in a direction, get lost, and then find where you're gonna go. That's a metaphor. Don't actually do that. If you're actually thinking about doing that, you're fucking stupid. No. Go find a fucking thing that you can do rather than jerking off all day and watching IShowSpeed. Fucking stupid idiot. But why do most people never start in the gym? It's because they don't have a direction to go in. They don't know where the fuck to start. It's very difficult to start things. People are lazy bastards. They want everything easy. They want everything to just fucking happen. It doesn't just happen. You have to get the cogs rolling. You have to fucking force it to happen. So you might not have a routine. You don't know what the fuck you're doing in the gym. You're scared of what people think, or you're doing this wrong or whatever. It doesn't fucking matter. Get a workout routine. Get a diet plan. So obviously, if you're not eating right, you're not going to gain anything. You're not going to gain muscle, you're not going to lose fat. So you need to focus on these two things. Now, I provide these two things with the Aesthetic Teens course. If you want to look fucking sick, you want to get bitches, you want to fucking look sick, you don't want to be a lazy bastard, you don't want to be a fat, lazy loser, then get the course, because the people who have the course are winning. They're getting they're going after their dream physique. They're getting the shit they want. You are here watching my videos, feeling good about yourself, and then going off and jerking off. So, do you actually want to take action? Because if you want to take action, course is sitting there right for you. I provide the diet plan, the workout routine, little weird shit like mentality, testosterone, all this shit is in the course. But become an animal. Become unstoppable. Become hungry. Strive for more. There's people out there that are driving cars that cost 300 grand, more than a fucking house. There's people out there who literally work an hour a day and they make more money a day than you will in your entire life. There are people out there that are sat on an island with 10 fucking supermodels and you're sat here jerking off. You have to realize that there's so much more. People are achieving so much. But then the majority are here fucking with their smoking and drinking and TV and junk food and their popcorn. Fuck off. Fuck off. There's so much more. Go out and get it. Strive for it. Why are you not hungry? Why are you, and I don't mean literally, you fucking spastic. I mean, why do you not strive to have a nice car and hot girls and a good physique and a fucking business, making money, traveling the world, doing cool shit with your life? Why do you want to be sitting here watching videos and, oh, I don't feel good? Fuck off, you don't feel good. There's people who can't even eat tonight. And you're worried, oh, I don't feel good, I jerked off. Fuck off, you loser. Boost your testosterone. Hit your fucking chest. Become a fucking animal. Do some primal shit. Start barking. Start shouting. Fucking eat your eggs. Set goals and smash them out of the park. Don't even achieve them. Smash them. Excel. Do more. Oh, I'm gonna do 100 push-ups this week. Do fucking 1,000. Smash those goals. Absolutely hammer them. Overachieve. Strive for overachieving and making big fucking progress. Looking sick. Getting bitches. Fucking bitches. Getting money. All this shit. Being able to fucking knock some motherfucker out. Get your fucking drive. You loser. The modern generation is so feminine and complaining, oh, I had a long day, oh, I don't want this, oh, I don't want to train, I don't want to get bigger, it's a lot of effort, what if I get fat? Shut the fuck up, you pussy. Fucking knock you out. Bitch. Man up. Hit your fucking chest and man up. If you want to achieve real things in your life, if you want to become somebody, you have to realize that what you're doing now is the fast track to nowhere. Jerking off, eating junk food, watching content, doing drugs is the fast track to nowhere. If you want to achieve things, you have to just switch off your emotions and go and achieve them. If you want to be successful, be successful. It's not that hard. If you're wondering where to start in the gym, you're still lost, check out this video right here and have a good day. Mwah.